Hello sewing friends, I hope you are all doing well. The last time you guys saw me was at the end of my Vlogmas episodes, which was on Christmas Eve. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas, and now it's time for me to wish you a happy new year. I wish you all love, joy, happiness, success, all of your heart's desires for 2020. If you're new here, my name is Kira, Island Socialist on Instagram, and my blog is islandsocialist.com, my neglected blog that is. Anyway, today's video is all about my plans for January 2020. The first week of January is pretty much already over. Mind blown. So for the rest of January, I'm gonna let you guys know what I have planned. It's not much, but this month is actually a very special month for me. So stay tuned to find out all about it. So I've already made one garment in the month of January, and if you followed my Vlogmas episodes, you would have seen when I unboxed that gorgeous cream and black fur fabric from Minerva.com. Well, I finished my fur coat and I actually had my photo shoot today, which is why I'm so dolled up. Unfortunately, the rain came down during the photo shoot, but I think I managed to get just the right amount of photos in the nick of time. So maybe by the time my next video goes up, I'll have photos to show you guys what my fur coat looks like.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby.
I honestly cannot remember the pattern number. It's a McCall's pattern and it's one of the Learn to Sew patterns. I actually bought the PDF pattern. Why can't I remember the pattern number? I happen to have the pattern pieces next to me. So it is McCall's M7847. It's a Learn to Sew fur coat pattern. It was a pretty easy pattern to make. However, I cannot promise you I'm going to be cutting fur anytime soon. I'm still working on fur, although I've cleaned in hair twice. I still have fur up my nostrils and in my eyeballs. I don't know how you people do it. And my fur was a really thin, fine fur, so it's really hard to clean up. Like on my cotton mat, the fur went into all of the creases where like cut grooves were. So now the next project I make is probably going to have fur all over it. So next up on my list is a very special dress because I am celebrating my 30th birthday on January the 13th, 2020. So I'm entering the dirty 30s, as they say. I have a very special dress planned, and the pattern I chose is from a new pattern company that I've never used before. So I would love for you guys to let me know if you've heard of them or if you've used them. It's called Our Lady of Leisure Sewing Patterns. They have an Etsy page. I know they're available on Makers. I have to double check to see if they have their own website as well. But I chose the Margarita dress, which is an off-the-shoulder fold down bodycon dress. It has a little slit up the back and it's for thicker, stable knits. And again, if you followed my Vlogmas episodes, you would have seen those glitter scubas. One that was silver with purple and blue. So that is the one I will be using for this dress. All right, so I just grabbed the fabric. I'm gonna try not to open it out too much because it's going to drop glitter everywhere. But let me see if I can show you what the fabric looks like. So this is it. And it changes color depending on the angle. It looks sort of holographic. So it's silver, purple, and blue. The back of it is black. I generally would not usually go for a bodycon dress, especially right now because I've put on a lot of weight in the last few months. So much weight that most of the stuff I made in 2019 cannot fit me anymore. I generally would not go for a bodycon dress. especially now. But because it's scuba, my aim is to make it so that it has that effect. So it's gonna suck me in and I should feel comfortable enough to rock a bodycon dress. Also, it's my 30th birthday, so like, whatever, this is me at 30. This is how I look. This is what I have to work with. So hopefully this turns out good. I think I'm going to do some sew along videos while I work on this dress, so watch this space. The next thing I have planned after my birthday dress is a new challenge that's on Instagram called the hashtag Sew Suit Up Challenge. And this challenge is hosted by two of my lovely friends, T from Crumpet Tea and Sewing. She has a YouTube channel as well. I link it in the description down below. And Andrea Naturally on Instagram. So these two gorgeous ladies came up with this brilliant idea to have a challenge in January that's basically gonna have us walking into 2020 like boss babes. And that is why they chose hashtag Sew Suit Up. That is the whole gist of the challenge. They want you to make suits, blazer dresses. The suits could be jacket and pants, vest and pants, jacket and skirt, vest and skirt, or a blazer dress, or a blazer over a sheath dress. This is the third time I'm saying this. If you watched my Vlogmas episodes, I showed a new fabric I received from Minerva.com. It is a jacquard fabric. It's a lurex jacquard. This is the fabric here. It's actually animal print fabric, and the lurex is the gold in it. And this is what the wrong side looks like. Now the thing is, I love both sides and I want to use a pattern that is gonna show off both sides. But what I had in mind was a blazer dress. And I think most of the blazer dress patterns that I've seen or that I have already in my stash are for lined blazer dresses, so then you wouldn't see the inside. So I don't know, I have to put some thought into this. What do you guys think? Or should I just stick with this outer fabric? Because the contrast may look a bit crazy if I were to do like contrast cuffs. I don't know, or does that look cool? Let me know what you guys think. So this is what I plan to work on after my birthday dress. The deadline for this is the end of January, January 31st. And then the rest of January will be taken up the very special project of mine. And I'm going to do a separate video on this project. I am planning a holiday wardrobe. It's not a capsule wardrobe. I just really need some new tops and dresses in my wardrobe. I am going on a trip soon, but you have to wait till I post that video to hear where I'm going, why I'm going, and all that good stuff. The point is, I have a trip coming up soon and I really need to make some tops and some dresses. I have picked some fabrics from my stash as well as from my store. Here's a quick sneak peek of fabrics that I will be showing in that video. And I just want to quickly show you, and I hope you can see, that there's fur all over this black fabric. So that trip is coming up in the second week of February. So by the time I finish my blazer dress or suit or whatever it is I'm making for hashtag Sew Suit Up and my birthday dress, I should have just enough time within the last week of January and the first week of February to try and scramble up my holiday pieces. So that is it for this video. Very short and sweet. January is moving really fast, so I try not to cram too many ideas into January because I think I went a little bit too hard in 2019. I need to think over some things and just refocus a bit. And one of the things that I really want to do is focus on what I need in my wardrobe, especially since I put on a lot of weight. I mean, yes, making fun, fancy things for Instagram is great, but I really do have needs in my wardrobe that have to be met in 2020. One of my plans is to make my first pair of jeans. I already have the ginger jeans pattern, I already have denim fabric, but I am working on my weight a little bit, so I just want to get that in check first, and then I work on the jeans. So for now, I'm gonna stick to tops and dresses. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know what are your plans for January or resolutions for 2020, all that good stuff. If you have not yet subscribed, I'd really love it if you go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. For all of the new subscribers I got during Vlogmas, welcome, and I hope you'll enjoy following along my sewing journey in 2020. I am out and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button as well on your way out. Bye!